Welcome to Expert ACM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called prime rate. The prime rate is the interest rate that commercial banks charge their most credit-worthy corporate customer. The federal funds overnight rate serve as the basis for the prime rate, and the prime serves as the starting point of most other interest rate. The prime interest rate or prime lending rate is largely determined by the federal funds rate, which is overnight rate that banks use to lend to one another. Prime forms the basis of or starting point for most other interest rate, including rates for mortgages, small business loan or personal loan, even though prime might not be specifically cited as a component of the rate ultimately charged. Interest rates provide a way to recover costs associated with lending, and they act as a compensation for risk assumed by the lender based on borrower's credit history and other financial detail. Default risk is the main determiner of the interest rate that a bank charges a borrower. Because bank's best customer have little chance of defaulting, the bank can charge them at a rate that is lower than which is generally applicable for others. Each bank sets its own interest rate, so there is no single prime rate. Any quoted prime rate is usually an average of the largest bank's prime rate. Changes to their prime rate institution are not required to raise their prime rate in accordance with federal instruction. Of course, though I'm using federal here, it is not only applicable for US but also similar format is available across all the countries in the world. Thanks for watching. Bye.